Hey guys, Devin Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're doing an update video, another video on Tanner's bike, my buddy's bike. We're getting that Doodlebug built like a beast. And this video is a little bit different. Obviously, I'm filming this intro at the beginning because I've just filmed a ton of stuff and I'm just jam-packing it into... I'm just trying to cram a bunch into it. This one, I'm doing all the finished welding and grinding and cutting and making it nice and smooth. Adding the little extra fender on it. And I figured this video is a little bit short, so I'm gonna throw a little teaser at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end, about what this bike is going to be capable of before I even tune it and play with everything. Pretty much just a test I did right out the gate as soon as I got it done. So yeah, I'm throwing that video in for you guys. It's going to be freaking epic. Hopefully you enjoy it. So stay tuned till the end. Alright guys, it's about 3 days later, and this is only the grinding dust for today. I skipped a ton of grinding and cutting, so we cut flush on this side as well as this side, and then I grounded it all smooth. I even welded up the back part of this, the slots for the engine hole, because I can't use it. The little bar for the frame is down there, so you can't use it, and I want to use this as a mount for the battery. It's gonna go right there. So, and I did grind up all the welds. It's not like they were super bad. I mean, up here I was blowing holes in the freaking metal like crazy. There's some pretty clean welds, but you know, I wanted it really smooth. So, got that all done. So, I did think of an idea to get more support for this back so it doesn't crush when you tighten this or anything. Is taking some sheet metal and pretty much filling up this little gap right here. Because my fender only goes to here. So then I have this much where it's still going to throw mud. And I don't want that getting on my battery. I think I'm still going to end up building a little case for my battery. Probably out of some tin from your ducting system, most likely. But I haven't exactly decided. But I do think if I do that, then that builds the support all the way back here. So that's, I don't know, 7-8 inches that it's not secured. So, not supported. So I think that's going to be really strong. The weakest part now is going to be how thin this tube is, because this is 1/4 inch plate and welded like crazy. I got 3 spots on the outside, and then the 2 top parts, and then I got the inside corner here, the middle here, the inside corner here, and then the back side here and here. So it's pretty well welded up, dang good, secured. I might like, I don't want to fully weld everything, just waste of welding wire. That stuff's expensive. So yeah, we're gonna keep going on the grind to it, getting it done. Alright guys, here it is, here it is. Don't cry yourself too much. Too much. I'm only gonna do like 5 seconds. Maybe a little more. But yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I thought it was pretty epic. It got a lot done on cutting and grinding and everything. Put that on the bike. And then I had to throw in some sweetness into it to make it even better and make it slightly longer. But hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.